Hi guys, it's Kim and I'm here to do a comparison video between the JuJuBe Be Right Back and the JuJuBe XY Base. I have been using the JuJuBe Be Right Back for 2 years now and I absolutely love it, but I got the XY Base a couple months ago and I have fallen in love. I think it holds just as much or maybe just a tiny bit less than the Be Right Back. So this is what they look like from the front to the side and from behind. I have my BRB packed up for a full day at the zoo, so I'm going to see if I can get everything that's in there into my XY Base. So I'm going to start by putting my daughter's Camelback water bottle in the water bottle pocket, and that fits in perfectly. There isn't one on this side, but I will put my water bottle inside, I think. Let's start with the mommy pocket. I just have my wallet, which I will slide in here. My keys. There's no key fob, so I'll just throw it in the back corner. And my pen, which I will throw at the bottom of this pocket. And that's all I have in the mommy pocket. In this front pocket, I have some wet ones. I will put that in. They fit here in the tech pocket. I will also throw my phone in there, which I normally have either on me or in this pocket of the Be Right Back. I'm going to open this up all the way, and they zip down really far and have gussets, so you can see really well inside this bag when you're packing it up. So the BRB has a change pad in this side pocket here that's memory foam. I'm not going to transfer that over because there's a change pad in this back pocket here. On the top of the BRB there is this pocket, which I absolutely love. That's the one thing I miss the most about this bag, is this pocket. But in here I have a Babyganics sunscreen, Babyganics hand sanitizer, and a pack of tissues. And I'm just going to stuff that into this mesh pocket here, and that should all fit. And then I'll open up the BRB. So you can see how I have it packed up. I'll open it all the way. Okay, so here's the BRB all opened up. You can see I just have a hat and a replay snack tower here. There is room if you wanted to put like a large set piece or a blanket or something that would fit up here as well. I'm going to start with the mesh pocket. I have a change of clothes for both girls in there, and I like to lay the change of clothes at the bottom of the base. I think this is all going to fit in here. I don't use my change of clothes very often, so I just shove them at the bottom, and it really doesn't impact how much can fit in here then. Next, I'm going to take the fuel cell and pop it on this side, and I have a full lunch in here. Now I'm going to pop my water bottle in the corner here. The medium set piece with snacks can fit right there. I will put the Quick on top, and let me show you how that's looking. Easily it's fitting. And then I'm going to zip up the sides. And there's still plenty of room for the replay snack tower and the hat. Oh, and I forgot the wipes. So that is super easy. They will just slide right back in that back pocket where that change pad was. And that's one thing I really like about this bag. I can just open the top and reach into that pocket to grab the wipes. It's a really easy place to grab them. So everything fit. I think there's a little bit more room at the top that I could fit a little more in the BRB. And of course there's still some more room in the mommy pocket. But overall the XY Base is pretty similar in size to the Be Right Back. And it's a lot lighter, and I feel like it's more comfortable and looks less bulky on the body. I'll try to throw some on the body clips of both of the bags so you guys can get a better idea of what they look like on me.